To introduce myself in our traditional Ojibwe language, I would say Buju Chimikanik Nijinikas Amikdodum Segano Ojibwe Dojaba Anishinaabe Indao. My name is Joseph Samik. I'm a Saginaw Chippewa tribal elder. My spirit name, Chimikanik, is Big Turtle, and I'm from the Amikdodum or Beaver Clan, and we're here at the Ziibiwing Cultural Center. And when you look at the 7 grandfather teachings, it's kind of a medicine wheel within itself. You have all these aspects of those 7 grandfathers, but when they all come together, there's a teaching that's indigenous for our people that we can go ahead and share with the world. And that's what we do here at Ziibiwing Center, and that's what we do in ceremonies. With the Miyingen, the wolf, having that grandfather teaching, that comes back to the Nanabuju teachings where the wolf was a companion of Nanabuju. The wolf joined Nanabuju as Nanabuju was looking at going through creation and naming the plants and the animals, and to go ahead and to have that connection with the Creator. The Creator is going to give you those spirit helpers on your journey, and the wolf was considered one of the spirit helpers that helped in our Ojibwe teachings of Nanabuju.
This program was made possible by a grant from CTN, the Community Telecommunications Network.